This home shows in pristine condition. Enter the foyer and you will find a spacious double-door coat closet that allows for extensive storage area. The beautifully laid out great room floor plan is open and airy. The kitchen is equipped with exquisite lighting and white cabinets that accent the granite countertops. Off the great room there is an inviting patio area to enjoy the outdoors. The homeowner has installed beautiful pavers and made this into an attractive gardening area. For your convenience there is a powder room just off the garage. The garage houses the tankless hot water tank and the home is finished with AC. Upstairs you'll be delighted with the size of the exquisite primary suite complete with a soaker and shower. There are 3 additional bedrooms, all very nice sized. All the larger windows upstairs have had tint added to them so you can enjoy the beautiful outdoors and sun.